everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to do a skincare haul, and for this haul guys, we are going to do Earth to Skin, and this is a brand I haven't heard before until it showed up at my local Walmart, so I was excited to get those. So if it's a brand that you guys know already, I'm excited to know about it. So I did get a lot of the products. They had quite a bit, actually, a couple of kits and as well as individual products because they had such a great sale on them. Some of them were about 50 to 70% off, so that was exciting. And the first thing I want to show you guys is the kits that I got. So I got 4 of these boxes because they were 50% off, which was super exciting. The first one I wanted to show you guys is the Tea Time set. This is the Age Defying Revitalizing Kit, so I got both of those. This has a cleanser, day cream, night cream, and eye cream in it, so I'm excited to try these. I'm actually going to use one, give one to my sister because I don't need both of them, so I'm excited to use that, see how well it does. Now the next one is the Superfruit Starter Set, and I'm excited about this because it says this is for radiance boosting. So those little pigmentation on my skin guys, those high pigmentation, that's what I'm always working on getting rid of and getting my skin to be healthier. So I'm excited to try this because this comes with an exfoliating cleanser, day gel cream, and overnight mask, and an eye cream. So pretty excited to look at this. The next one, this is the Super Green Starter Set. This comes with a cleanser, day gel cream, night gel cream, eye cream. So I'm excited to try this because it has vitamin C rich, nourishing, and revitalizing. So this sounds like the best one out of all of them, to be honest. So I'm excited to try this one. Now, the next one, guys, I did get because this was on sale. Of course, they have the eye cream. Eye cream are always so hard to find discounts on, guys. And this was again pretty cheap, so I'm excited to try this eye cream. It's already in the kit, so I have 2 of them now on a discounted price. And of course, couldn't pass up on these masks. They had the Super Green Cucumber Jelly Mask, so I'm excited about that. It's actually look like jello, guys. And the Avocado, this is Avocado Overnight Mask, so have 2 of these. They're super cute, tiny little boxes. This is 4 ounce, so not too much but a lot for your face. And this is a overnight mask, and this is just a jelly mask, so I can use these overnight and during the day. Now the next thing I wanted to show you guys is this Super Green Pumpkin Enzyme Pill. This is so good. I've actually got 2 of these, started using the other one already, and I've gone through it pretty much, use it about 3 to 4 times a week. This feels so amazing on your skin, and it helps so much with dead skin buildup. I love it, and I use it with my Sonic cleanser, and that thing just works magic. Your face feels so smooth, nice, and it looks so bright. And the way I use that, guys, I actually put it on my face for about a minute or 2, and then I'll use the brush to cleanse it. Now the other 2 things that I did get were this Honey Manuka toner, and this is Calming, Moisturizing, Soothing, as well as I got this Tea Time White Tea Cleanser. This looks so good, and it's a gel cleanser, so I'm excited about this. It's firming, anti-aging, and pore refining. So guys, I'm super excited about this. I'm so happy that I actually found these. I love how these have a little top to cover it, so that was a cool little part to it. So I'm gonna be trying these. I'm gonna try the kits, of course, one at a time, do a review for you guys, post it on Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, you'll see I post a lot of my food and skincare stuff on there, so look out on there. I'm gonna show you guys how they work and how is my skin doing with it, and try one at a time, see how they do. But I love this sale. Everything was about $3.99 for the most part on them, so pretty cheap price, great discounts. And guys, check out Walmart for skincare. They're always having amazing sale. Absolutely love it. You'll get great discounts. So definitely guys, this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos coming out. Of course, leave all of your comments down below and go over and watch my last video.